still fucking alive.
Poor little guys are in there suffocating. Ah, babe, hold on.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, he look mad as hell. He poked his nose. Don't poke his eye. Oh, he's dead, huh? No. Oh my, what is wrong with you? Don't. I'm so sorry. I hate to see you die, but I love to eat you. Hey! Babe.
Look. You can use chopstick. We caught him with chopstick.
I'm trying to. It's scaring me.
Look. Grab using chopstick. Grab on, motherfucker. Use it. Use it. Use it.
Oh.